Oh, you can smell it in there, can't you? Tear that thing up. Get it. Get it. Get it. Beat that box up. You can get in there. Oh, yeah, there you go.
I just can't wait for her to get her face stuck in it.
Oh, we got something. Oh, you don't even see it there, do you? You don't even see it. It's right over here. You don't even see it. Come on. Come on. I see. We want to get inside that box. That's more important now. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Piece of meat right there. You can't even see. Oh, now you see it. Oh, that's good. That's good. I wonder what else is in that box. Back to the box. Come on. Back to the box. Yeah.